Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Product Reviews. Today I'm excited because I get to show off one of my new favorite crafting tools, the Ryobi glue gun. This is no ordinary glue gun. The Ryobi glue gun features a rechargeable battery that gives you 3.5 hours of use and an on-off switch with an LED indicator. This is important because this glue gun gets hot. I mean boiling hot. So you're going to want to know when it's on and off. In fact, the only complaint I do have about this glue gun is it gets so hot that the glue will drip from the tip. But if you have a silicone tool underneath of it, you're golden to catch it and it comes right off. So what makes this glue gun different than the rest? Well, number one, it's designed for heavy-duty gluing applications, which is perfect for my chalk couture business, but it also features a 3.5 hours of runtime on the Ryobi Lithium Plus high-capacity battery. Simply put the battery into the charging station, wait for the green flashing light to go to a green steady light, and now you truly have 3.5 hours of cordless-free, high-power glue gun at your disposal. Some other features I like of this glue gun is it's self-standing, so it's very convenient for me to grab and use and put back on my desk. It does have a 2-finger trigger for enhanced control, has the LED on-off indicator light. However, I do need to stress the fact that I love the fact that it's designed for heavy-duty gluing applications, like you see here. Now, you can buy the glue gun by itself for $29.99 on Amazon or Home Depot. However, you will need the charging station and rechargeable battery. So unless you have the Ryobi One Plus suite of tools, you will need to buy the whole set, which comes in right around $99 on Home Depot. I've given you the links down below so you can purchase any of your choices of Ryobi One Plus suite of tools. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and why I use this in my chalk couture world. If you liked today's video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, take a look at our Patreon and what perks you can get, and take a look at these other videos you might be interested in.